Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to put a background image for your web page. So one website that I really like to use is called Unsplash. Okay, it's a bunch of free, like high quality pictures. So let me search food here. Let me see if I can get like a picture that would look nice repeated. So this picture looks really nice. I'm going to save image as, and I'm going to call it something that is really easy for me, because I have to type it into Replit. So I want to make sure it's a JPEG image on my desktop. Okay. Yes, I want to replace it. I've done this before I started the video. Okay, so here I want to go, yeah, see I did it to test it out. Yes, select this file. Okay, I am going to click here. I'm going to upload file on my desktop, and it's called Oranges. Okay. Now, sometimes I forget the code about how to do this, so I always go to add background image HTML. Okay. And I usually get a website called W3 Schools, which is a great website, and they give me the code. So like if you did it in HTML, you could do it this way, but I want to do it in the CSS. Okay, so they explain like if you want it to repeat, here's what you do. If you want it to cover and not repeat, let's see, background cover. So let me grab this code. Cover means it's going to go across the whole background. It's going to stretch to fit the width of my page. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go here, and I'm going to paste it in here. Okay. Now the URL is what I need to change, right? So I'm going to pull it in, and it's called oranges dot JPEG, JPEG. Sometimes JPEG is spelled JPG, and sometimes it's JPEG. Mine's that way. Okay, so let me refresh it and see what happens. Okay, so I have this giant picture. Notice that it stays fixed. It doesn't scroll. Like if I comment this out, let's see what happens. Command question mark takes it away from my code, and I refresh it. What would happen is the oranges are like attached to the pictures, so they kind of scroll with the pictures. But if I take this off, command question mark undoes it, and I refresh the page here, it's kind of neat, like the things would scroll, but the oranges would stay fixed. Okay. Now there might be a problem where you want to make sure that this can be seen. So here you probably want to add some background color to your heading tags. So let's say I want to take this same background color here. I want to copy it, and I want to paste it down here. Okay. And so I want to, doesn't give me a paste option, so just use the shortcut key. This, put it on its own line right here. Let me add what we call padding to it as well. Let's say 10px, and that's going to make the I'll show you. So it's going to, it pushes out the box a little bit so that you have some space between the text and the box. Okay, and that way I can see things against the backdrop of the oranges. So you could replace your background color with a background image if you want, so it looks really neat. Okay.